Flash flood emergency for Fairfield and areas in central Jefferson County. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a flash flood warning for Jefferson County in southeastern Iowa until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported historic flash flooding with numerous ongoing water rescues in central Jefferson County. Up to 15 inches of rain have fallen. Rates of 3 to 4 inches of rain per hour will persist across the warned area for several hours. This is a flash flood emergency for Fairfield and areas in central Jefferson County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and emergency management. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Widespread life-threatening flash flooding will continue and may worsen throughout central Jefferson County. Historic flash flooding will continue to impact this area for the foreseeable future. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fairfield, Maharishi, Burdick City, Libertyville, Salina, U.S. Route 34, and Burley. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central